here, bringing you another tech review. Well, not really a tech review, a tech unboxing. It's gonna be a quick unboxing, honestly. I will have some videos to show you after maybe a month of usage, if it actually was worth the money. I got this during Black Friday. We haven't used it yet since then. I really didn't want to open it till we were able to make a video out of it, so let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so yeah, this is what's in it, the projector. What I really like about the projector is that it actually has a lens cover on it, so that way no dust and I believe liquid can go inside there. You can manually rotate for the focus. That's actually pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and get this puppy open real quick. Let's get this. I unfortunately don't have an unboxing knife left yet. If y'all want to send me one, y'all free to send me one. I got the all-in-white version. I believe there was a black version, but they were sold out at the moment. But I mean, I really don't care. I really like this. So this is what you're gonna find. This is the projector itself, big style. You got your focus right here, so you move that to focus up the picture, and the keystone is basically for the colors, I believe. Yeah. You got your basic. I don't know if you can zoom in on that. You got your basic OK buttons, up, down, left, right. These menu button, power button. I don't know exactly what that is. I think that's a eject button, and then that's to undo or to go back, basically, essentially. You do have a CPU insert in here. I.e., really don't know what that is, honestly. USB 2.0, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, so you actually have two HDMI ports on here. Perfect. I mean, you can plug in your laptop, you can plug in your PS4 at the same time. You have a micro SD card in here, so you don't even need what's it called, a micro not a micro SD card, an adapter for it. All you gotta do is just plug it in, plug and play, AV, and then headphones, just in case you are watching something you're not supposed to. So anyways, yeah, this is it. I will read to you what's in the box, and then we will switch camera angles just so we can see what's really in the box and what comes with everything with it. So yeah guys, I probably shouldn't have thrown out the manual because, you know, it probably tells me everything that's in the box. Sure, I can just tell y'all what's in the box. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. It glows in the dark. Well, obviously, right, because you want to put it in the dark. The cool thing is that I didn't even tell y'all guys, and I'm sorry about that, is that this projector, for the price of it, it actually provides 1080p full clear, perfect picture almost. It's just you messing with the focus and messing with everything else, but it's 1080p. It's not no 720. It's not gonna be 4K, obviously, but it is in a good price range. I saw right now on Amazon, you can get, like I said, you can get this on Amazon. They're giving 28% off of this. Perfect price. I'd still say it's perfect price. But so far, what's in the box, what you're gonna find is obviously the projector, the lens cover, which we already covered, and then the user manual that I should have read. The AC adapter. Well, we don't see that yet. But you get the remote control with glow-in-the-dark buttons, which is awesome. You get the power cord right here, AC adapter. You get the HDMI cable, perfect. And then you get this very rare that you ever see them ship out with anything like this. This is AV cable, where I said that I didn't know what AV was, that port was. This is only for like if you want to put a DVD player on there and stuff like that. If it's a DVD player that's old, doesn't have an HDMI input, you can use this to put it actually on your to project whatever you're trying to watch onto the projector and project it whatever you want. and it also comes again with a simple projecting screen. So yeah, me and my family, we have been dying to use this. It looks pretty good. It does have rubber stops, really powerful rubber stops. You can actually, they do sell a mount for it, so you can actually buy the mount. That way you don't have to have it on a flat surface. Well, obviously you have to have it on a flat surface for the picture to look good, but at least you can set it wherever you want instead of having to, like, you know, basically settle for what you have, or, you know, a DIY, you know, do it, yeah, DIY your own mount. So yeah, it's really cool. You put it on there, put the screen on there, and you're good to go. But yeah, pretty big shout out to BIG A SUO. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but they did a great job. They did a great job on providing the customer with everything they're gonna need in order to project everything they're gonna need. Like I said, guys, this was just a simple unboxing. It really, I'll be showing you how it looks like whenever we test it out and everything. Just little clips here and there, but I will be doing it like a month later video. Like, let's say the BIG SUO a month later. Let's see if it still holds up to its name. You know what I'm saying? Like, if in a month it craps on me, it just doesn't work anymore, then I'll be like, you know what? Do not go buy this. You know, let me take the responsibility of buying this for y'all, testing it out, and making sure it works for y'all. But again, this is Infinite Trip. Beyond the camera, we have FSU Gamer, perfect cameraman right there. But yeah, guys, this is, you know where to find us, Nebula Entertainment, and we're out. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, leave a like, and y'all have a blessed day. So guys, yeah, I just wanted to reiterate that this is 84 inches, 16 by 9 aspect ratio. For those of you who don't know how that looks like, I just want to open it up and extend it just so y'all know what y'all getting into. If y'all gonna want a bigger one, or if y'all gonna want something else like that, this is essentially how it's gonna look. I mean, 84 inches is pretty big. So it's gonna be like this. Aspect ratio of that. I mean, I can't even do arm's length. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, this is what most YouTube videos are, most streaming services. This is this aspect ratio that you're gonna be getting. So definitely, this is what it's gonna look like. But yeah, guys, just wanted to show y'all guys. You don't have to go the full 300. Full 300 is probably for like a big movies night out, like where y'all can park on the cars outside or something like that, and everybody can watch a movie. But this is more for like a living room type set where you can just hang it and everybody in the living room can watch a movie. So yeah, thank you for being a subscriber, guys. Really, this means a lot. Other than that, you have a blessed day, guys.